Meet the EarFun Air Pro 4, featuring high-res sound with LDAC and powerful noise cancellation for an immersive experience. With clear calls, long battery life, and seamless connectivity, it's perfect for everyday use. Let's get into it.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the EarFun Air Pro 4 earbuds.
Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable.
Cleaning kit.
And user manual. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair.
Download the EarFun app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your EarFun earbuds. First, remove the insulating film and place the earbuds back in the case. Close the lid, then open it to enter pairing mode. Activate Bluetooth on your device, select the EarFun Air Pro 4, and you're connected, ready to enjoy your music instantly. Make sure your EarFun Air Pro 4 is successfully paired with your Bluetooth-enabled device. Open the EarFun Audio app, tap the plus button to add a product, and wait while the app searches for your earbuds. Once found, the EarFun Air Pro 4 will connect successfully.
Smart features?
Enjoy richer, more detailed sound with LDAC and aptX lossless support, compatible with high-resolution audio devices for a truly immersive listening experience. Blocks up to 50 decibels of ambient noise using advanced ANC technology. Enjoy a more immersive listening experience, whether at home, work, or on the go. Get up to 52 hours of total playtime with the earbuds and charging case. Quick charge support gives hours of listening from just a few minutes of charging. 6 built-in microphones with AI noise reduction ensure your voice comes through clearly on calls. Bluetooth 5.4 with multipoint and auto pairing keeps your earbuds seamlessly connected to multiple devices. Ergonomic design with a secure, all-day comfortable fit and IPX5 water resistance. Supports wireless charging and customizable sound via the EarFun Audio app for a personalized experience.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the EarFun Air Pro 4 earbuds from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your EarFun Air Pro 4 earbuds. See you at the next one.